Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have another Dollar Tree haul. This one's not as big, it's a smaller haul, but I wanted to share with you what I got. I found a lot of different Ioni lashes, so I wanted to show you the different varieties I found, and a few other things. So let's just get right into it. Okay, so the first thing I picked up was this Miss Spa Renewal Hydrogel Eye Treatment, which this Miss Spa brand has its own site, and it also sells in like CVS and other drugstores like that. And this retails for $5, and I picked it up for $1. I wanted to get more of them, so I'll probably go back and grab one, and I'll probably grab one of these for the giveaway, one or two. I'm gonna try it. They're cruelty free. It says pearl extract, and it says free from artificial fragrances, artificial dyes, parabens, and sulfates, dermatologist and allergy tested, cruelty free. Give your eyes a boost enriched with pearl extract and skin replenishing botanicals. This mask delivers a boost of moisture to hydrate and soften. So I'm really excited to try this. Oh, another thing I picked up that I wanted to get it out the way because it's not beauty related, but it's just this Sense Spa vent clips for my car. I heard these were pretty good and it smells pretty good. So this is the cleansing sauna. And so I decided I'd try it. It says it 2-pack lasts up to 90 days. So for $1, you know, I thought I'd try it out. Okay, so the next things I picked up were these Bolero face wipes. I got the Cleanse and Hydrate infused with tea tree oil, and then I got the Cleanse and Hydrate infused with rosehip oil. So I grabbed these two of the Bolero wipes because I hear really great things about it. So I'll let you know how I feel about them. They come with 32 in each. Next thing I picked up was this Nourishing Coconut Oil Conditioning Treatment. It says it moisturizes and revitalizes all hair types, and it is by Hask, Beginnings by Hask. So I grabbed this, see how it works in my hair. Okay, so the next thing I picked up were these facial mask remover sponges. I thought these are pretty interesting to take my mask off, you know, because I like to do my mask after my face is clean. I get out the shower and everything. So I thought this was a good concept, these sponges, to get the mask off without, you know, too much fuss. So I'll try these out and see how they work. And then from the hair section, I picked up 18 of these ponytail holders. I love these. Like, they stretch out pretty quickly, but like they don't pull my hair, they don't break. So I really like these. These are really good. Okay, the next thing I picked up by Bolero was this Soothing Facial Toner, Rosewater and Aloe for all skin types, advanced formula. This is a 4 ounce. So I thought I'd try out the toner and see how I like it. It's also paraben and dye free. So before I get into all the lashes I grabbed, the last thing I picked up was this Wet n Wild Shine Lip Gloss Balm. It's in Tutu to Tango. Just I'm gonna open this and see if it's like a stickier formula or what it feels like. Let's see. Okay, so it's sheer, and oh, I like this. It feels like it might be a comfortable formula. It's not sticky at all, so we'll see how that works out. Last few things I picked up were all Ioni lashes. I've never seen any of these before, so I don't know if they're new in my store and they've been out before or what, I'm not sure. But the first one I picked up was their 3D Faux Make Individual Lash Extensions. Now I have the ones in large, and I have the ones in long length, and these are the wispy medium. So I'm still looking for the small, so I can put these on. I'm going to a wedding on Saturday, and I wanted to use these lashes. So we'll see how those go. All right, so the first pair I got were these by Ioni, or these red velvet lashes, wispy, long, and spiky. So I thought these were really pretty. And the next pair I got was this Key Lime Pie, wispy, flare, spiky. These are really beautiful. These are probably one of my favorite from all of them. The next pair I got are Orange Sorbet Wispy Natural Light Lashes. Very pretty. And then the next pair I got were Cherry Jubilee, which is the Wispy Doll Crisscross, and they look like this. And then the next pair I got says chocolate chunk, and these are the natural doll medium. The next pair I got are Rari Berry Strawberry. They're wispy natural flare. I think these are so pretty. And then the last pair I got says bubblegum on here, and it's the natural doll light lashes. So these are all from Ioni. I'll probably add a few of these in the giveaway since I don't wear lashes all the time. There's no point in keeping all of these. So I will be adding some of these in the giveaway. I'll probably be adding some individual lashes as well. So I'm gonna try to find all the lengths for the giveaway. And once again, I'm very close to 300 subs. I'm at 297. So if you enjoy my content and you're not subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe. I'm having a giveaway at 300 subs. I'm really excited for it. So it's going to be a full beauty giveaway for, you know, hair, face, makeup, skincare. So if you're interested in things like that, just, you know, don't forget to subscribe so that way when the giveaway starts, I can let you guys know and you can enter. Okay, so that's it for today's small haul. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please just give this video a thumbs up if you'd like to see more like this, and leave a comment below letting me know if you liked anything in this haul, if you recommend anything from Dollar Tree that maybe I should try, or any other affordable makeup. All right, so thanks for watching. Bye.